AGMUT 1996 batch cadre IPS officer Mukesh Singh Lakliba Junamadagi Manipuri Director General of Police Oina Puba Hongna Bangasi Imphal da Thunglakhre Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms ki Joint Secretary Bizananda Chabung Bamna Thopa order amana wafam asi phongdorakhibani amaromda Department asige atopa order amana IPS officer kharagi posting amadi pham hongdok hongjin tawre haidi Order aduna hai ADGP Intelligence Director of Inquiry Manipur Lok Ayukta NOST Manipur Bhavan Delhi amadi MD MPSC Limited Asutosh Kumar Sinhana Manitko gi Chairman amasung Managing Director amadi Manipur Lok Ayukta gi Director of Inquiry oina puragani ADGP Law and Order Lufeng Kalunna MD MPHL Limited oina thau puragani aduga ADGP AP Modernization Lari Dorji Latuna ADGP AP Modernization Intelligence amadi Law and Order oina puragani hairi Nakalamramda Lagliba Junamadagi Manipur Director General of Police DGP oina thau puragadaba 1996 batch IPS officer Mukesh Singh ngasi Imphal da Thunglakhre Magna ngasi Imphal gi Birdikan Rizit International Airport ta Thunglabada Manipur Police ki makok thongbo officer kyana taramna okhi adomoina mag paumi singna hangba wahang singi paukhumdi mahakna piramkhide mahakna DGP oina join tawraba matungda paumi singna hangningliba wahang singi adugi paukhum pigani haina phongdoklamkhi